Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. This is the check-in for week 3. Of course, I do it a day early. Just a reminder, several of you have not finished your homework for week 2. Make sure you jump in, finish that homework. It is due by January 15th in the day. Of course, I'm recording this on the 14th, so there'll be a couple of you that haven't finished week 2 yet. When we jump into week 3, we talk about effective communication, listening, and interpersonal skills. So there's a lecture, Chapter 4 and Chapter 5. Make sure you review that. It is 15 minutes long, of course, and then you're going to have your corresponding PowerPoint slides for Chapter 4 and Chapter 5 uploaded here. I also uploaded some information about Robert's Rules. Super cool. It's about how to conduct a meeting. It is not test material, but is supplemental information for your viewing. Then you have homework, only one chapter, Chapter 4 homework that is due, of course, by the following week, and that due date will be corresponding to the Sunday, right? So the 22nd by end of day. And then you have a discussion post where your initial post, so your initial summary of the lecture and material, is due by the 18th end of day, which is a Wednesday, and then your reply to another student is due Sunday, the 22nd by end of day. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Appreciate all your efforts, and I look forward to working with you as time goes on. Thanks so much.